Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a raptor coming out of an egg. So it's like a baby raptor. Alright, pretty simple. I think everyone should be able to do it. And that's it, so let's get started, alright? You can use anything you want, by the way. Pencil, pen, anything. I'm going to be using this marker because it shows up on camera a lot better. Pulling down over here. And that's going to be the top, like the... Basically, it's going to be the top of his mouth. Pulling over here for the front of the snout here. Up over here for the top front of the snout. Line up. Down, down. Dot over here at the front. Line over here. Curve for the eye. Curve for the eye. Gonna go over here as well for that slit pupil on the raptor. At least the raptors in the movie have a slit pupil. The ones in real life I don't think would. Like, at least the Deinonychus, because that's kind of what they are. That's a long story. But basically, like, the raptors in Jurassic Park, they're too big, right? The real ones are smaller. What it really looks like is it looks more like a Deinonychus, because those were... book illustrations look like that. Like... Okay. Enough of that. Gonna go over here, pulling back. And down. I'm gonna go over here and find the teeth along there. They're just triangle shapes, really simple. And I'm gonna go to the corner of the mouth here and pull out. Curve underneath. Pull back. Obviously the lower jaw is like thinner than the upper jaw. Back over here, up. Line down. Go over here to the teeth on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. Putting in those triangles there. And I could put a line here because there's normally like a piece of skin when the raptors open their mouth. Line over here, down. It's more or less just kind of like a shape they have. I'm gonna fill that in as well in their kind of snout area, the front of their nose. Line over here for the jugo bone, cheekbone. I might connect it into here because there's normally the ear back here. Line underneath here, down, curve. Alright. That's a neck. It's going to pull down here, and the back is going to start, kind of. And over here, we're going to start getting to the chest. But right now what we want is the hand sticking out, right? The hand's going to come out here. So finger. 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 Pull back, curve down. Now we're going to draw the egg. Okay? So he's grabbing onto the edge of this broken egg. And I'm going to just make it jaggedy all around. Like it's circular, but it's like a jaggedy circular shape. And I'm going to fill in going over here, grab along this edge, pull down over here for that egg shape Go over here, grab on maybe the furthest shape over here. Pull down over here on this side. And then I'm gonna do the zigzag shape because it's gonna be in a nest. So I'm gonna zigzag shape the bottom of that. And over here, same thing. It's gonna be a zigzag shape. That's gonna curve around here. And the egg itself, honestly, I don't know if it ever had spots or anything like that, but you could draw spots on here, maybe like jaggedy spots. Because if you draw like circles, it's gonna look too like cartoony, like Yoshi or something. But you could draw the spots as being jaggedy. Make sure they're thinner too. See how I'm putting less weight on the line here? Whoops, snap. Okay. And then they're kind of just randomly around there like little islands. You could throw a little bit more here for like a color differentiation, right? From the top to the bottom. And let's draw a little bit of teeth shape in the back here. All right. I'm gonna fill that in. So give it some depth. And there you go. That's a raptor hatching, you know. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I said, don't forget, hit the subscribe. When you subscribe, what it does mainly is it shows you in a thumbnail what I'm drawing that day. I post 3 drawings every single day, 3 drawing lessons, right, for you to learn. They're all about 10 minutes. Basically, when you scroll on your feed, it's going to show you the thumbnail what I'm doing that day, and that's it. You're just going to see it amongst your stuff, and then you can decide that day, like, oh, okay, I want to draw that, or okay. So there's really no downside, so absolutely check that out. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I'll see you soon, okay? You guys are amazing. If anybody wants to donate to the PayPal in the description. Everything I do is I put toward this, towards the Crayola. So thank you so much. I will talk to you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.